Good morning. So, one of the things that is the hardest about being unemployed is what do you do with your time? I have a lot to do with taking care of my parents in the mornings and in the evenings, and then I run errands for them during the day. But I'm a type A, self admitted workaholic. I like projects, I like things to do. And so today, we're going to my daughter's house because I have a brand new pressure washer and her house is dirty and I want to wash it. And she kind of knows I'm going to do it, but she's not going to be there, so I'm just going to go and pressure wash. Um, I just, I don't know about the rest of y'all, but I'm one of those people who I have to get up and I have to have a purpose of what I have to accomplish every day. I think that whole idle hands is a devil's workshop thing was drilled into me way too good as a kid. And so, I just like to keep busy. And I may always tell people, I may be fat, but I run circles around most of my skinny friends. I am not lazy. I just like to keep busy. So that's what we're going to do today. Wish me luck. So it is 11:30 in the morning, and I got about a third done. I got the front porch done and about a third of the driveway. I will be back because it's hot. It's in the high 90s, and that's as much as I can do today. But hopefully tomorrow I can find a decent amount for the phone. But I need to finish the back porch. Really needs it bad as well. But fingers crossed. Now I am off to the vet to pick up dog food for the grand dog, student prescription dog food. And then I'm going swimming.